at this truck stop. I got in at 4 a.m. I have to wait till 11 p.m. to leave. Fun stuff. So yeah, driving a truck is like camping every night. Oh yeah, by the way, this truck stop back in January, maybe December, I don't remember. I got stuck here in the snow. Yeah, I couldn't get out. My truck got stuck. Fun. It was very fun. Hades. Okay, one thing you could do here is you can put this down, right? And pull that across. There's another one over there you could use. I rarely do that. I just go in the back. Because this closes. And it keeps it pretty dark during the daytime. There's my bed. Yeah, I folded those blankets and set them there so that you couldn't see all the stuff behind them. It's just closed in some bags. Got a microwave, company did not provide. That's mine, I bought. Refrigerator, company did not provide. That's mine, I bought. My computer, company did not provide. Look, this little table pulls out. Keep closing here, I'm not gonna open it. Up here I got all mostly my coffee stuff and my drink stuff. Up here, got food, vitamins, pills, right, like aspirin and all that. More stuff up here. This is my extreme cold weather bag that I use in the winter. It's about time to start using my summer one. Lots of food. Over here, this is nice. This works for a few hours if the truck's off. Right now it's actually a little chilly outside, but the sun's beating down the truck, so I got the air on just a little bit. It'll work for a while, but after about 12 hours or so, it won't work. You gotta start the truck again. Truck is supposed to start automatically. When the battery gets too low, doesn't always do that. Alright, only got one bar left, or one dot left. There's supposed to be 4. Means the battery's getting a little low. My indoor toilet. That's it for this, I guess.